What's up, YouTube? This your boy, Mom. Welcome to Mom's Life. I'm here with my niece. Say hi, bro.
Hi.
Alright. We about to make some slime. You dig what I'm saying? Welcome to Mom's Life. Hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get every post that I make. You dig what I'm saying? Every video that I make. It's my first time actually making slime. And my niece really wanted to do this. My niece really wanted to make slime. So I gotta be the uncle, the good uncle, and make some slime. You dig? High five. Let's do our handshake. That's our handshake for all you. Like I had me. Alright, so what's next? What we gotta do? Pour 1 teaspoon of clear glue. We already did that. And 5 teaspoons of warm water, and you can make the slime more interesting by adding extra ingredients to the mix. So
I got a spoon.
that's your spoon. All right. Got the water.
The spoon
Got the spoon.
in the bowl.
We're gonna do it ghetto, cause I ain't putting 5 in there. We just gonna make it like that. Hold up. Let me position this. Hold the water. So they can actually see us making a slime, bruh. Alright. Bam.
I see that.
Where you sit at?
Yeah.
I don't know where you can sit at. Hold on. So we got this. This the clear glue. Slime activator. Slime white glue. We got the glitter. You feel what I'm saying? I guess you want to call this paint. Got the little confetti. And what is this? I don't know what this is. Balls, I think.
Yeah.
Don't know. All right.
And a spoon.
And a spoon.
And this.
What are those? All right, now position. Now, what color you want to do?
Pink.
You want to do pink? All right, we're doing pink.
Yee, I love pink.
Well, this is not actually a pink color. This is like it's like a purplish pinkish. But we still gonna do it though.
Yeah.
I'm doing it wrong. Opening it the wrong way. Okay. Let me get this. Bam. Pink. Can this even come off? I don't think this can come off. Oh, it can come off. Cool, dude. I'm just gonna try to drop that in there. Come on. Bam. You want to put some glitter in it?
Yeah. This glitter.
You want that glitter? Bam. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but we're going to get it right, okay? Tell the YouTube community. We're going to get it right.
So we was right for 79 years.
79 years?
I didn't think.
I wasn't even born 79 years. What?
You was a little.
Girl.
Like a baby.
You still a baby.
I'm not a baby.
Get off of it. Get. All right, that's how much we're going to put in there.
And then we mix it up. Right?
I don't know. We're going to put some. I'm going to put a little bit of the slime activator in there. Trust me, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but.
A little bit. And then we put that in.
That should be enough. And now we're about to put some white slime glue in there. You can't, don't know, they can't see you, Bri. There you go. All right. Put some of that in there. All right, that should be enough. Wait. Put the top on.
Mhm.
You know what? I'm gonna get her.
Let's see.
Okay, this is not working. So, oh, it is working. No, we're just gonna do it like this. Like I said, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but we got a lot more, so. It's clear.
It's slime.
Wait, break it off the bed like that. Yeah. Break, get off the bed like that. Touch it. Do it feel like slime to you?
Mhm.
Don't wipe it on the bed, bro. Alright, we're gonna put some more of this in there. Go in. Don't mind me. I'm sorry I ain't talking to y'all. You know what I mean? Just been going through a little bit lately. Just been
A
going through a lot.
little bit.
Look, man, we gonna take this out. Look, it's
Slimy.
a little slimy. We gonna use this. Bro, you hurting me.
No, I'm not in the video.
Not in the video.
Nope. Who are in the video?
Alright, I apologize. Alright, is that better? Hold on. Alright.
Mhm.
Stop. Yeah, use it. No, use this one. Hold it. Get up. Show the YouTube people. What you doing?
I'm mixing up.
Keep stirring it up. Like I said, I apologize for the delay. Not posting it in probably like a good couple days. Basically, I just been going through a couple things. You know what I mean? Mentally, physically. Just taking time out. You know what I mean, to myself. You dig what I'm saying? And actually getting myself, how can I put this? Just getting back to my old ways, just my old self, you know what I mean? Because of the things that I've been going through lately. So, like I said, I apologize for the delay about not posting a lot. But starting today, I'll probably post another video later on. I'm definitely doing a Q&A later, so I'm definitely gonna post that later on today. Let me see it. Start. So, yeah, like I said, apologize for the delay.
Yeah.
What you gotta say to the people?
Slimy.
Stop. This is getting slimy. Go get a plate, bro. Go tell your grandma to get you a plate.
There's some in the kitchen.
We'll go get a plate, just one plate. probably need some glue in this. I don't know, but I guess it's coming out alright. I don't know. Where the white glue? We're gonna get some more glue. But yeah, like I said, though, I apologize. So the Q&A will be later today. So be on the lookout for that. I just told her to get some God bag on paper. What I tell her to get? Oh, yeah, I've been tripping lately. I told her to get some paper plate. She ain't been back yet. But yeah, like I said, if you got any more questions though about everything, just comment down below. Comment down below any other more videos that you want me to do. If you want me doing Q&As, if I really should be start vlogging, to be honest, but like I said, I ain't been having time to vlog lately. So yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging probably this week, probably tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna be vlogging starting on Monday. So tomorrow is Sunday, so it's either going to start tomorrow on Sunday or Monday. One of those two. But be on the lookout for that too. She still ain't come back. There you go. I mean, hey, I did a little something, you feel me? She left me. Hey, I'm done with this. She ain't back. Oh, freaking well. Can't give y'all the end results, but did a little something for the slime. Like I said, this your boy Mon. Welcome to Mon's Life. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get every video that I do post. Comment down below. Let's get this video to at least 10 likes. If the video get 10 likes, then I'll be posting 3 videos tonight. Q&A and another story time more about me. So like I said, it's your boy Mon. Welcome to Mon's Life. Welcome, subscribe. On to the next. Peace.